Right now you have attended the conference for Smart City CEOs.
Yeah.
So basically it matters to you more, I guess.
Yeah.
So are you happy with the Smart City work which is happening in Panjim City as a mayor?
See, as a mayor now, now we have to do regular inspections also now, based on what, just based on our thing, because we want to. Now, as of now, see, some projects are going, see, WRD projects we are completely happy with also. There are slight delays and everything, but they are sticking to their schedule. So, WRD I have no issue with. Now, there are certain projects, like for example, now, two of the main projects now are that the universal footpaths. That is one thing, and the other one is the G-Soda road. So now I was talking to the secretary. So now what they do in other cities is basically they have one consultation. So they have like a roadmap. So this is the development work that is going to be happening within the next 6 months. These are the people that will be affected by it, and we should meet those people. So now going forward, that is one step that was not being done. So going forward, this is what we're going to do. For example, now that Goa International Road, it was the contractor had wanted to block off the entire road without giving people access to the emergency vehicles, fire in case there was an emergency, stuff like that. So now what we did was basically we stopped the work. We told the contractor, you present the plan. With that plan, we will then present to the people. Once the people of that area are satisfied with the thing, then only you all can go ahead with it. So that is what we're going to do in the next phase also now. For example, from STP till Goa International also, that remaining stretch, we will do the same thing. We will ask the contractor for a plan, we will consult the people. Once they are satisfied, only then will the work go ahead. So we are going to do this with every smart city project also going forward. Because now we understand that the people are going through a lot of issues, and we should do our level best to basically address all of this.
And also people are unhappy because some roads are blocked only to keep the raw materials which will be required
So now
for the
we had
work.
spoken to the contractor about that also. So now they are taking up, say now the universal footpath. That is one thing that is being blocked also. So they will take up half of the section. The other half is the next part. Anyway, sewage and all the departments are working together. So those roads anyway cannot be utilized because sewage also is doing their work. So it is planned accordingly. So that is why half the thing is being taken up also.
Mayor, when are you expecting the pension to be smart? How many more months, years?
Project end. See, certain projects, sewage will get over by March 31st. Okay, that is the completion date for their thing. After that, PWD will do reinstatement of all the roads that are damaged. Now, certain other projects now will take time. October of this year is the deadline for other projects. Your universal footpaths, your G-Soda roads. These are big issues. Now, for example, now practically I tell you the problems the contractors are facing. Now, nowhere in Panjim has the, say, water pipeline, electricity pipeline, you have your internet cabling, that has not been mapped throughout the city. So now the contractors, when they are doing the work, will find, say, electricity cables 50 centimeters below the road. Or you will find water pipelines where they are not supposed to be, or electric pipelines where they are not supposed to be. So now because of that, there are certain delays. So we are addressing them as we go forward.
But when?
October 23rd is the official deadline. If it extends, I will tell you.
So one more thing, on the Miramar side, there is the the light is there.
Yeah,
the connection
high
there.
mast, yeah.
From the lighting, from last 2-3 months, it's not working actually.
So now high masts also now different departments are taking care of different. Now, for example, some high masts are coming under PWD, some under tourism. So electricity department is supposed to take handover of all of the high masts. So now that they have not done yet. So that we will ask them to do it in the coming months.
अनेक म्हटलं ते कॅमेरा जे लायला पाहिजे स्मार्ट सिटीचे कलर मध्ये लायला पाहिजे पण जे मेजर आमचे झेब्रा क्रॉसिंग जावं बाकीचे लाईन्स आहा पळय ते ॲक्च्युअली दिसची पडत ना.
So that also now we will tell the contractors to start. We know this, we realize there are a lot of issues also now, but all these issues now will take time to resolve. So as and when we get complaints, we will address all of them. So on the promenade also there was somebody put up a video of that leakage. Now that was coming out from the pavement. Now that was not sewage. That was basically all that refiltered water that goes to the STP. That there was a faulty valve, so that was leaking also. So like that we'll have issues that we will solve. See now, a lot of people also are complaining, but they're not bringing the issues forward. So I just want to tell people that if you all have any issues, please bring it to the attention of all of us so we can address your issues. Keeping it to yourself is not going to solve anything. Now when we met the citizens who were staying on the G-Soda road, Kamath complex and all, they had issues, but they did not bring it to our notice. So once they brought it to our notice, we are better prepared to help them also. So I'm encouraging anyone, if you all have any issues with the smart city works, please tell us. Or the numbers of all the smart city officials are written on the board. Please contact them directly.
झेब्रा क्रॉसिंग मीन्स त्यांना
That I will get better soon. Thank you.